I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'll be showing you in today's tech tip how to use the built-in surface level. So this phone does have a surface level and it's found in the edge panel, and you can activate it just to check if surfaces are level. So the surface level is normally found in the tools edge panel. So what you need to do is go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that, and then under display, go down to edge panels and then tap on that. First of all, make sure edge panels is enabled, and that's why you'll be able to see the edge panel from the edge of your screen. Now, with edge panels enabled, go to panels and make sure the tools panel is among the active panels. So just look for tools, and tap on tools to make sure you add it there. And then you can now hit the back button all the way back to the home screen. So now when you bring up the edge panel, you can swipe again to show the other edge panel, which is this tools edge panel. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then look for surface level. Okay, so there is our surface level. You can actually see it's already showing by how many degrees this particular surface is off. So you can see that little dot, and surface is only level when that dot sits in the middle of that circle. So as soon as you place it on a surface that's not level, that's what happens. Okay, so for instance, if you want to check if a surface is level and that dot is slightly skew like that, that means that surface is slanting that way. So what you need to do is make sure that dot sits right in the middle there. Okay, now if you want to, or if the default surface level is not working properly, you can tap on calibrate and then calibrate it the way you want and move it the way you want.